Welcome back everyone. Keeping Quiet, Poem 3, and today I am presenting before you multiple choice questions for standard 12th. I hope you are ready. So the first question is, who is the poet of poem Keeping Quiet? The options are Kamala Das, Pablo Neruda, Stephen Spender, and John Keats. I don't think there is a need to tell you to write these questions and their correct answers. Hope you are ready. Question number 2. What is the significance of number 12 in this poem? The options are short span of life, long span of life, short span of childhood, and the last option is none of these. If you think none of the answers are correct, so you can opt for the last one. Question number 3. What is the theme of the poem? The options are beauty, honesty, power, anti-war. So select the appropriate one. Question number 4. What does the poet think about war? Options are war is beautiful. Second option, war is meaningless. War is necessary, and the last option is war is good. Now question number 5. According to the poet, what will be a historical moment? The options are moment of war, moment of quietness, moment of victory, and moment of death. Now next question number 6. What will happen when there is complete quietness according to the poet? So the options are there will be no world, there will be no fun, there will be no war, and there will be no human. Question number 7. What is action according to the poet? The options are hallmark of life, that's shown in the movies, and avoid everything, and death of life. Question number 8. According to the poet, why do people face problems? And the options are they do not work hard, they do not listen songs, they do not eat sweets, and the last option is they do not analyze themselves. Question number 9. According to the poet, what is the law of nature? The options are enmity, activity, power performance, and the last option is jealousy. And here comes the last question. Poet says that man of today is, and the options are single-minded, humble, polite, kind. So now let us see what are the right answers. So the answers are question number 1. Who is the poet of poem Keeping Quiet? And the correct option is Pablo Neruda. Question number 2 was, what is the significance of number 12? So here significance of number 12 here shows that life is short. Short span of life. Question number 3. What is the theme of the poem? So, as the title of the poem suggests, it should be beauty, but no, the title of the poem is not telling the theme of the poem, because the theme of the poem is anti-war. Question number 4. What does the poet think about war? So the correct option is war is meaningless. Question number 5. According to the poet, what will be a historical moment? So the moment of quietness, that peaceful, peace, calm, quiet, that moment of quietness is the right option here. Now question number 6. What will happen when there is complete quietness according to the poet? So the correct answer is there will be no war. Question number 7. What is action according to the poet? So the correct answer is hallmark of life. Action means life. Question number 8. According to the poet, why do people face problems? Mostly we think that it is due to hard work or no enjoyment in life. But actually the correct answer here is they do not analyze themselves. Now question number 9. According to the poet, what is the law of nature? And the law of nature is activity. It is not jealousy, it is not enmity, it is not showing your power, it is only activity. And now the last question. Poet says that man of today is, and here the right answer is man of today is single-minded. He thinks only about himself. He is very selfish. So the right answer here is single-minded. So I hope you have enjoyed your activity. You must share your marks out of 10. Thank you for watching. Best of luck.